Pam from NortheastWheelsEvents.com at the 2020 Fall Carlisle Auction. We're checking out, just doing a quick walkabout, checking out some of these cars. This is that 70 Ambassador wagon with the 4-speed. It was converted so beautifully. It sold last year for quite a bit of money. Let's see what it brings this year. I'm surprised it's back on the block. I'm going to open up the door just to show you.
Take this over. You want me to take that over?
Can you see it? It's done so nicely. The conversion, really pretty cool. I close the door a little bit more solid. There you go. Of course, it has the 390. Pretty cool. Of course, we've got a few Rolls Royce. It's funny is that these things just go for a lot less than what you would figure. I don't like the wide whites on this. Let's see, what year is this? 76, so it's a Silver Shadow 2. It's got a little bit of spotting over there. Not unusual. I'm not sure about that side view mirror. The interior, oh, the wood looks good, and that's a major thing in these things. Let's get some info on it.
Go for a ride in it.
It's got, yeah, definitely.
Go bar hopping or something.
Oh, there you go.
Sweet, isn't it?
Yes. There's nothing like running a Rolls Royce. There really isn't. As you drive down the road, just seeing Spirit of Ecstasy out front guiding your way.
TV car.
Yeah, that's it. Little square body Silverado over here. Nice shape. Nice shape. This is a 78. Let's see what's under the hood. 390. 350. Excuse me. 350. Very nice. Engine rebuilt. Little Maserati. I don't know. I'm still not excited about Maserati SUVs. Just does not excite me. Little goat over there. Convertible. Manual transmission. Don't worry about reverse. You don't need it anyhow. Oh, I'm sorry. This is a little mouse. There's another roller starting up. This is an 80. These were nice already. They got away from the carburetor. They got into the what's it called? It sounds nice and strong. I gotta cover this car. This is the 411 412. This is a very, very interesting car. 412, yes. This was a transition car for the for Volkswagen, where they went front engine. Let me get this straight. Was it front engine? Oh gosh, I know this is this your 412?
Yes, yes.
Yeah. This is still this is front engine, front wheel drive, correct?
Rear wheel drive.
Rear.
Yeah.
Okay, rear engine, rear wheel drive.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah, it's got the Porsche 914 motor.
Yeah.
Came with it, pancake motor.
Yeah. That's right. Couldn't remember. They were getting big, and this was. Oh, that's right. This was the expensive Volkswagen. It was $4,000 when new. That was it. Now my memory's coming back. It was right before the K80 was the first front wheel drive front, and we did not get that one.
It should triple the price of that.
Yeah. Very nice. This one's the automatic. Yeah, remember the ads? They say a $4,000 Volkswagen? Wow. Very unusual to see one, folks. Very unusual. Nice little fleet side over here. What was that, 57? See if my, 55. Sorry, folks, 55. And this is the Cameo. Built, lowered. Let's see what it has. 383 stroker. Mustang manual front end. 17-inch torque thrust wheels. 335 posi. 4-speed Muncie. No AC or power. Lots of chrome. It's got the tilt. Upholstery carpeting. Modern gauges. Nice bed. Nice bed. And of course the Cameo, which of course is the coolest feature. All the fiberglass fenders laid on top. This is when pickup trucks start to dress up nicely. Again, this is Pam from NortheastWheelsEvents.com at the 2020 Fall Carlisle auction. For more cool events like this, make sure you check NortheastWheelsEvents.com, SoutheastWheelsEvents.com, UKWheelsEvents.com, and while you're there, post and share your events. I'll see you at the shows.